Hey there, fellow beach enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of my beach walk travel blog. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a virtual journey to one of Brazil's most beloved coastal treasures, Leblon Beach. Let's start my best beach walking tour. Subscribe and put your relax and enjoy watching. Nestled along the stunning coastline of Rio de Janeiro, Leblon Beach is a true paradise for sunseekers and nature lovers alike. With its soft sands, crystal clear waters, and majestic views, it's no wonder why this beach is considered one of the best in Brazil. But what makes Leblon truly special are the stories that have shaped its rich history. Did you know that Leblon Beach was once a gathering place for indigenous tribes? These native peoples revered the land for its beauty and abundance, leaving behind traces of their ancient culture for us to discover. As we embark on our beach walking tour, take a moment to soak in the beauty that surrounds us. Feel the warm sun on your skin. Listen to the soothing sounds of waves crashing against the shore, and breathe in the salty sea air. It's moments like these that remind us of the simple joys of life. But Leblon isn't just about relaxation. It's also a hub of activity. From beach volleyball games to paddleboarding adventures, there's something here for everyone to enjoy. And let's not forget about the vibrant beachside culture, with vendors selling delicious snacks and refreshing drinks to keep you fueled up for your seaside adventures. So, as we meander along the golden sands of Leblon, I invite you to relax, unwind, and immerse yourself in the beauty of this enchanting destination. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and keep dreaming of sunny shores.